Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious and easy crispy chicken fettuccine Alfredo. Very simple. And if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So no talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I have two skinless chicken breasts, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to run it right through the center, and I'm going to create 4 pieces. And I'm going to season it real good, starting off with some sea salt. And now some black pepper. And of course my favorite go-to, some garlic powder. And some onion powder. And some smoked paprika. If you guys don't have any smoked paprika, then you should get you some and definitely keep it in your pantry. It just makes all your meat taste so good. And so now I'm just going to rub everything in, and I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side and to the other pieces of chicken until I'm all done. Okay, so I'm done seasoning all of my chicken breasts, and now I'm just going to set it to the side and get the breading station ready. So in a dish, I'm going to add 1 cup of flour. And to make sure the flour is seasoned really good, I'm going to add some sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. So next I'm going to crack and scramble 2 eggs. And for the egg wash, I'm just going to add a tablespoon of water. And again, I'm just going to break it up and scramble it with a fork. And yes, I'm going to add some sea salt and some black pepper. You got to make sure that everything is seasoned on every level. And at the very end, I'm going to add 1 cup of Italian panko breadcrumbs. Okay, so the breading station is ready, so let's start breading the chicken. So first you want to coat both sides of the chicken in the flour. Then you want to coat both sides in the egg wash. And now you coat both sides of the chicken in the Italian panko breadcrumbs, and this is what's going to give your chicken the crispy crunch that you love. So my chicken is coated and I'm ready to go, but before we go over to the stove, I need to chop up 3 fresh garlic cloves. And I really love garlic. It's one of those main ingredients that I use for most of my recipes. It's so good for you. So over medium-high heat, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to warm up 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a tablespoon of butter, and I'm going to go ahead and lay my chicken in and cook them for 4 minutes on both sides. So after 4 minutes of cooking, I'm going to flip my chicken around and I'm going to let it go for another 4 minutes, and look how beautiful and golden brown that looks, you guys. Just keep on going until all your chicken is done. So my chicken is all done and I'm going to keep it warm in a 250-degree oven. And before I move on, I got something to tell you guys. Okay, enough gatekeeping. I'm just going to tell you guys what's going on. And yes, I do wear glasses, and I don't like to wear them on camera too much because you can see that the lights hit the lens, and I just don't like that. But quick story, these are my emergency glasses. The glasses I had before, I accidentally broke them, and I really need glasses because I can't see far away, especially when I drive. And when I broke them, I realized that I need glasses really fast. It was an emergency because I can't see far away, especially when I drive. So when I went around to other stores, I realized that I would probably have to pay around $150 to $200 on a new pair of glasses. I had to do it because, again, I needed some glasses, and I ended up paying the money because I needed them really bad. But it's been 10 years, and don't get me wrong, I really like my glasses, but after 10 years, it's time to upgrade. This is when I have to thank Firmoo for reaching out to me. It's an online optical store and wanted to know if I wanted to collaborate and try some of their products, and of course I said absolutely. So Firmoo just sent my glasses in the mail, and I wanted to do an unboxing on camera, and I have to say, you guys, I was so pleasantly surprised. They are perfect. They're the ones that I picked out online. They felt very sturdy and well made and very lightweight also, because I know when I like to wear glasses, I never like to feel like I have any glasses on, so I was very pleased. So just go on the Firmoo website and shop around, and you'll notice a variety of styles to choose from, both prescription and sunglasses. And let's not forget about the kiddos. Plenty of affordable children's glasses that you can pick and choose from, and guess what? You don't have to break the bank. And for those inquiring minds that really want to know, these are my glasses that I picked. You can see the serial number, and I like the black matte gunmetal. And yes, there are men's glasses. I tend to gravitate towards the men's glasses. But when I put them on, you guys, I really love the look, and everything was perfect. And I really love the ones that I picked out. It was kind of hard because they had a variety to choose from. If I knew about Firmoo 10 years ago in the middle of an emergency, I could have bought a quality pair of glasses at an affordable price. So once again, thank you so much for Firmoo for reaching out to me, and I will leave everything in the description box down below. You guys, don't forget to click that link. They were so kind enough, they gave you guys a discount code so you can browse around, shop around, and buy some beautiful affordable glasses. So in a hot pot of water, I'm going to go ahead and add some sea salt and some oil and add some fettuccine to the pot. Just go ahead and follow the directions on the box. So while the fettuccine is going, I'm going to go ahead and clean that same skillet that I made the chicken in, and I'm going to melt a stick and a half of unsalted butter. Now it's time to add the chopped garlic, and I'm just going to swirl this around and cook it for a minute just so that the garlic really flavors the butter really good. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of heavy cream. Now I'm going to add 1 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and nutmeg. Now you want to whisk and simmer your sauce for about 3 to 4 minutes until it bubbles, and this is something you really want to keep an eye on because you don't want it to stick at the bottom of the pan. Now it's time to add 1 1/2 cups of Parmesan cheese, and again, you want to continue to whisk periodically because you never want anything to settle at the bottom. Now once your fettuccine is done, go ahead and toss it in that delicious cheese sauce. And just to add some freshness at the end, I'm going to sprinkle in some fresh parsley. So everything is done, and now I'm just going to add some fettuccine noodles to a bowl. And I took my chicken out of the oven where it was warming up, and I'm just going to take a knife and chop some slices. And just add it on top of the creamy fettuccine. The chicken was delicious. It was seasoned perfectly. So if you love crispy chicken and pasta Alfredo, this is the perfect dinner to make, and make sure to enjoy it while it's nice and hot. And we are done, you guys. First off, let me thank once again Firmoo for collaborating with me on this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. You guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.